Title: Easy English Conversation. Woman's Routine, Doctor Checkup. Doctor, good morning. How are you today? Woman, good morning, doctor. I'm fine, thank you. How are you? Doctor, I'm well, thank you. So, what brings you in today? Woman, I'm here for a routine checkup. Doctor, all right. Have you had any problems recently? Any pain or discomfort? Woman, no, nothing serious. I just feel a bit tired sometimes. Doctor, that's normal. Are you sleeping well? Woman, not always. Some nights I wake up and can't go back to sleep. Doctor, How many hours do you sleep at night? Woman, about 6 hours. Sometimes less. Doctor, I see. It's important to get at least 7 to 8 hours of sleep. Do you exercise? Woman, not regularly. I walk sometimes, but not much more than that. Doctor, it's good to start with small steps. Try to walk for at least 30 minutes every day. It can help with your energy levels. Woman, I'll try that, thank you. Doctor, how's your diet? Are you eating enough fruits and vegetables? Woman, I think so. I eat vegetables every day, but I don't eat a lot of fruit. Doctor, fruits are important too. Try to eat more of them. Now, let's check your blood pressure. Doctor, your blood pressure looks good. I'll also check your weight and height to calculate your BMI. Doctor, everything looks normal. Just remember to get more sleep, eat more fruits, and try to exercise daily. Woman, I will. Thank you, doctor. Doctor, you're welcome. Take care, and I'll see you in 6 months for your next checkup. Woman, thank you, doctor. Have a nice day. Doctor, you too.